Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to change the rows, how to make equal spacing of the rows. So it can be like this. For example, I just going to insert a table here, 3 into 3, and I have been mistakenly I just done like this. The rows are all on different size, but I need to make it as on the same size. So I can't do for every rows. For example, if I have a 10 rows, so I can't do that. So the simple thing you can do to equally spacing the rows was you just right click on the table on anywhere on the table, then you can see an option called distribute rows. Just click this, automatically all will on the same spacing like this. Just click inside the row, just right click on the mouse, then click on the distribute rows. You can see the option here, just click this. So you can now see the rows has been equally distributed. By this option you can make any unwanted rows or any collapsed rows can be fixed by using this particular option. I think this video help you a lot to create your document perfectly. If it is like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more videos about Google Tasks, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.